Assalamualaikum. Hi. Welcome to the MyGuru tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be focusing on how to read the material in MyGuru. Learning Material is a platform where the lecturer will upload materials for students' reference. This notification tells us there are 4 unread materials. After successful login to MyGuru, chose a course. In this example, I prefer this biology course. Course dashboard. Look on the left menu and click the learning material. Then it will show you the lists of materials. The engagement numbers refer to how many students read the material. Again, you can click the number and point to the photo to know whom. Visibility closed means the duration for reading the materials already finished. Visibility always means the student can always read the materials throughout the semester. Click the View button to read more. The most crucial part of learning material is students need to click the Mark as Read button once they finish. Otherwise, the notification icon on the dashboard will not disappear. Students are also allowed to comment or share opinions in the comment section. That's all for now. Thank you.